Hello everyone, today I will be reviewing MEFA 20 plus 3 pieces nail gel polish kit from Amazon. So make sure you touch that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. For those of you that are wondering what MEFA is, MEFA comes from the word meet fashion. MEFA 20 plus 3 gel nail polish set comes with 20 colors gel, 1 base coat, 1 glossy top coat, 1 matte top coat. Each bottle is 5 ml. No need to purchase base coat and top coat separately. Each bottle is enough for 2 hands to use 12 times. And now I'm gonna show you how to use it. So first, apply a thin layer of base coat and then cure for 60 seconds. Next is apply first coat of color gel. I will be using the shade number 1, which is a light pink color. And then cure for 60 seconds. Repeat the process 2 to 3 times to make it more opaque. And next, I will be using all these shades to make my nail design. So I will be using shade number 4, which is an orange color, shade number 5, which is a dark pink color, shade number 13 is a yellow color, shade number 15 is a purple color, shade number 17 is a gold color, and shade number 20 is a black color. This color set collects all the classic essential colors, which is perfect for all seasons. You can DIY your own nail art style. It's great ideal for all daily working or dating, party or ceremony activity such as birthdays, holidays, anniversary, Halloween, Christmas, Valentine's Day, and Mother's Day. And with the correct application, it can last up to 3 to 4 weeks. And of course, you have to have base coat, color gel, top coat, and the UV lamp. MEFA 23 pieces gel nail polish set is made of natural resin, which makes it non-toxic and has low odor. This premium gel polish nails kit can be highly pigmented and smooth, and it also have a good tenacity. So I'm gonna leave the link below on my description box so you guys can check it out. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply top coat. When applying top coat, make sure to seal the nail edge to avoid chipping and then cure for 60 seconds. And this is the result of my nail art. I was making a fall nail art. And that's it everyone. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe because it helps me keep going. Leave a comment down below. Share this video to your friends and thank you for watching.